What's up guys, my name is Ruben. Today I'm going to walk you through on how to play Ombi Langu by Nyasha. This is a response to a request that was made by one of you. So here is the tutorial on how to play this song. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these tutorials on YouTube. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. Also hit that notification button so that you always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C, but when you get to 3 minutes 40 seconds, the song transposes to the key of D. So I will show you how to play it in the transposed version, but first of all we'll look at how to play the song in the key of C. So in the key of C, I will walk through the progression for the intro, verse, chorus, and then there's a bridge which has a different chord progression. So we look at the progression for the intro, verse, chorus, and then the bridge, and then now the part where it transposes. So the key, the progression for the intro starts with something like, so that's the intro. So this chord here is an E chord. So you can either play this E chord or you can just play this E chord here. Well, I find this chord here sounding, better because of the high notes than this one, which is so low, so bass. So you can either choose to play this E, so these are the chords. So E minor, sorry, this is E minor actually. So I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 4 on the 2nd fret, my middle finger playing string number 1 on the 3rd fret, my middle finger playing string number 1 on the 3rd fret, my ring finger playing string number 3 on the 4th fret, and my small finger playing string number 2 on the 5th fret. So that's E minor chord. So you can either play this E minor chord or you can play this version of E minor, where you will play string number 5 with the middle finger 2nd fret, and string number 4 2nd fret on the with your ring finger, so So the chord that follows is E F chord. So the F chord, I am barring string number 1 and 2 with my pointer finger on the 1st fret, and then my middle finger plays string number 3 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger plays string number 5 on the 3rd fret, and my small finger playing string number 4 on the 3rd fret too. So that's F chord. And then C chord. So C chord, pointer finger plays string number 2 on the 1st fret. My middle finger is playing string number 3 on the 2nd fret. My ring finger, C chord is my pointer finger playing string number 2 on the 1st fret. My middle finger playing string number 4, 2nd fret, and my ring finger playing string number 5 on the 3rd fret. So that's C chord. So from top, that will be E minor to C, then you play like 1 bar of C, then G, then F, G, C. So the G chord, I am using my small finger to play string number 1 on the 3rd fret, my ring finger playing string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and my middle finger playing string number 5 on the 2nd fret. So you hold it as so. So those are the chords that you know, will be on the verse and the chorus. But now the difference between the verse and the difference between the intro and the progression for the verse and the chorus is that the intro starts off with that E minor. And then now starts off with the verse. So the verse and the chorus progression is the C, G, F, G, C. So now when you get to 2 minutes 50 seconds, that's where the bridge comes in. So the bridge progression is 6, E minor, F, G, F, G. So you start off with the A minor. So A minor, I'm using my pointer finger to play string number 2 on the first fret. My middle finger is playing string number 4 on the second fret, and my small finger playing string number 3. My ring finger playing string number 3 on the second fret, A minor. So you start off with the A minor, then E minor, then F, G, F, G, A minor, E minor, F, G, F, G. So you play that, I think, times 2 or times 3, and then now you transpose. So after A minor, E minor, F, G, then you transpose to key of D, D, A, G, G, A, D. So the D chord, I am using my middle finger to play string number 1 on the second fret, my pointer finger to play string number 3 on the second fret, and my ring finger to play string number 2 on the third fret. So that's D chord. And then the A chord, I am barring string 2, 3, and 4 with my pointer finger. So counting from down 2, 3, and 4, barring with my pointer finger on the second fret. And then G, you know, just like I have shown you how to play the G chord, where my small finger is on string number 1 on the third fret, ring finger playing string number 6 on the third fret, and my middle finger playing string number 5 on the second fret. So G chord. So you play. So that's how you will play this song. It's just as you know, simple as it is. So that's it for this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other in the next one. Ciao.